Ever found yourself wondering why video editing has to be so complicated? You're not alone. It used to be a tedious process, juggling multiple apps and software just to create that perfect YouTube video. But all that's in the past now, thanks to YouTube Create. This remarkable tool, initially available to only 8 countries, has now expanded its reach to 13 more, including Spain, Hong Kong, Brazil, and Australia. With YouTube Create, you can edit both shorts and longer YouTube videos directly on your Android phone. It's a breeze to split and trim videos, add effects to make them pop, and even select from a wide range of royalty-free music to set the perfect mood for your masterpiece. But that's not all. YouTube Create also boasts a fantastic tool called Audio Cleanup, which can significantly improve the audio quality of your smartphone recorded clips. It's time to explore the world of YouTube video creation with YouTube Create. So what makes YouTube Create stand out from other video editing tools, you might ask? Well, it's the plethora of features that it offers, designed to make video editing a breeze for content creators of all skill levels. Firstly, YouTube Create allows users to split and trim videos with ease. This means that you can cut out any unnecessary parts of your video or divide it into smaller sections to make it more digestible for your viewers. And the best part? You can do all this right from your Android phone, no need for any other software or apps. But that's not all. YouTube Create also offers a wide range of effects that you can add to your videos to make them more engaging. These include filters, transitions, and even animated stickers, all designed to add that extra touch of creativity to your content. Whether you're looking to create a cinematic masterpiece or just a fun, quirky video for your followers, YouTube Create has got you covered. Now let's not forget about the music. With YouTube Create, you can choose from a wide array of royalty-free music to enhance your videos. This means that you can add a suitable soundtrack to your content without having to worry about copyright issues. From upbeat pop tunes to soothing classical pieces, there's something for every mood and theme. Finally, let's talk about the Audio Cleanup tool. This fantastic feature can improve the audio quality of your smartphone recorded clips, reducing background noise and enhancing the clarity of your voice. This means that even if you're recording in a noisy environment, you can still provide your viewers with clear, high-quality audio. All these features make YouTube Create a versatile and user-friendly tool for all content creators. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner, this app is sure to revolutionize the way you create and edit your YouTube videos. So why wait? Dive in and explore the exciting world of YouTube Create today. Intrigued by what you've heard about YouTube Create so far? Well, here's the deal. YouTube Create is a game changer. It's a tool designed to simplify the video editing process, making it accessible to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, there's something for you. It's all about breaking down barriers and opening up the world of video creation to a wider audience. And the best part, it's absolutely free to use. No need to break the bank investing in high-end software. YouTube Create brings powerful editing tools right to your fingertips. And now, with its expansion to 13 more countries, it's even more accessible. So whether you're in Spain, Hong Kong, Brazil, Australia, or any of the other lucky locations, there's nothing stopping you from diving in. So if you're ready to take your YouTube content to the next level, YouTube Create is here to help you make that happen. YouTube Create takes the hassle out of video editing, making it a breeze for content creators of all levels. It's a one-stop shop for video creation, offering a range of features that streamline the process from start to finish. Whether you're looking to trim and split your videos, add eye-catching effects, or enhance your sound quality with Audio Cleanup, YouTube Create has got you covered. It even comes with a selection of royalty-free music to give your creations that extra touch of professionalism. And the best part? It's not just limited to a few countries anymore. YouTube Create is now available in a total of 21 countries, spanning from Spain to Australia, Brazil to Hong Kong. This means more of you can now take advantage of this fantastic tool. So why not give YouTube Create a try? You might just find it's the tool you've been waiting for to unleash your creativity and make your mark on YouTube.